Alright everyone, on today's video I'll be doing a quick Amazon haul video, and I'm excited to share with you what I got from Amazon. Let's do the Amazon quick haul. Alright, first thing that I got, I just received it yesterday. I decided to get a baby book for Ayla. Kind of expensive for this little tiny book for $24. It is expensive. Alright, first we got a baby book for Ayla. I can put pictures and also I can put notes on the pictures as well. Super cute. I cannot wait to put pictures and write a message on this baby book. So this is the first thing that we got from Amazon. Super cute baby book for Ayla. Next is the battery for my tripod, for my Sony ZV-1 tripod, because the battery is old and doesn't work anymore. So Dan bought me 2 pack of battery for my Sony ZV-1. This is the look like the tripod, and this is the battery for this tripod. So 10 pieces of battery, so it's good for like maybe a year or something. So yeah, battery for my tripod. Next we got this clothes brush, because every time I wash Ayla's clothes, because she's eating now, so every time she eats she gets messy and gets stained in her clothes. So I notice every time I wash her clothes in the washing machine, it doesn't came off the stain on her clothes. So I decided to get the clothes brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash her clothes first using this brush. That's normally we wash clothes in the Philippines. I grew up with no washing machine, so we wash our clothes by hands using the brush. So what I'm gonna do for Ayla's clothes is I'm gonna wash it first with my hands using this brush, and then after that I'm gonna throw it in the washing machine again to clean and rinse and everything, because it's easier to put it in the washing machine after I clean all the stain on her clothes. So I cannot wait to try this clothes brush. Next is face mask. I'm out of the face mask that I'm using, so I finally ordered another face mask. This is 100 pieces face mask. This is the disposable one that I can throw it after I use it. I don't like using the fabric. I'm lazy to clean it, so I do prepare with a disposable one. So I got 100 pieces of face mask. I need it. I wear face mask all the time wherever I go out or I'm working. Next is this what do you call this? Cookbook for my Instapot. Dan bought it for me, and then I'm excited to look some recipes that I'm gonna try for my Instapot. So this is 1,000 recipes inside. There's a lot of recipes inside that I can try. If I have time, I can pick whatever recipes I wanna make for my Instapot. Next is we got fabric shower curtains liners, and the color is black. Shower curtains liner, black. That's it for my quick Amazon haul. And again, thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, again, and see you on my next video. Bye.